EndeavourOS is one of the most loved Arch-based Linux distributions, and in today's video, we're diving deep into what makes it so special, why so many people switch from and whether EndeavourOS is the right choice for you in 2025. When you first hear Arch Linux, most people immediately think of manual installation, command line steps, and hours of configuration, but EndeavourOS completely changes that experience. It gives you the power of Arch Linux, the rolling release model, the flexibility, the Arch repositories, and the OR, but wrapped inside a simple, user-friendly installer. The moment you boot the live system, you're greeted by the Calamares installer, which guides you through an easy installation process with sensible defaults. No complicated partitioning, no manual base install, and no cryptic commands. After installation, you get a clean, minimal system. EndeavourOS does not try to overwhelm you with unnecessary software or custom modifications. You start with a near vanilla Arch base, giving you full control over what applications and tools you want to install. This is a big reason why many experienced Linux users prefer EndeavourOS over heavier Arch-based distros. It respects your choices instead of forcing a bloated setup. One of the strongest features of EndeavourOS is the online installer. Instead of being locked into one desktop environment, you can choose from many. XFCE is the default, but you can install KDE Plasma GNOME, Shinam Manmachi, Bugilex Qt, i3 Sway, and more. This flexibility allows you to match the system to your workflow, whether you prefer a lightweight setup or a visually rich experience. After installation, EndeavourOS automatically sets up drivers, detects hardware, and ensures your system is ready to use. This includes NVIDIA support, printers, Wi-Fi drivers, Bluetooth, and input devices. For many users, this out-of-the-box hardware compatibility is a huge advantage compared to pure Arch Linux. Let's talk about performance. Because EndeavourOS is so minimal, the system feels incredibly fast. Boot times are quick, RAM usage is low, and the desktop environments feel smoother compared to distributions with heavier patches or background tools. Whether you're using KDE, Plasma, XFCE, or a tiling window manager like i3 or Sway, the experience is consistently snappy. Another major advantage is package access. EndeavourOS uses the official Arch repositories directly, so you get the latest versions of software faster than most distros. Alongside that, you also get the AUR, the Arch user repository. With the Yay helper included, you can install thousands of community packages, apps, kernels, drivers, and tools that are not available in official repos. This is a dream for power users, developers, and gamers. The rolling release model ensures your system always stays up to date. You are not tied to major version upgrades. Instead, your system evolves continuously. But this also means you must update regularly. EndeavourOS provides update notifications and guides, but you still need to maintain your system. If you're someone who ignores updates for months, this may not be the best distro for you. Rolling releases require attention and care. The community support is another highlight of EndeavourOS. Unlike toxic or overly technical environments, the EndeavourOS community is friendly and helpful. Whether you're a new user or an advanced one, you'll find people willing to guide you through issues. The official forums, wiki, and Telegram channels are extremely active. If you're wondering how EndeavourOS compares to the difference is simple. EndeavourOS stays extremely close to Arch. Manjaro applies patches, delays updates, and modifies core components, while EndeavourOS keeps everything pure and upstream. This gives users faster updates and fewer unexpected divergences. Many advanced users feel that EndeavourOS is more stable and predictable than Manjaro for this reason. Gaming on EndeavourOS is also excellent, with the OR, Steam, Lutris, ProtonG, Wine, and gaming kernels are easy to install. You can turn EndeavourOS into a full gaming station with minimal effort, and because Arch always has newer Mesa drivers, newer kernels, and updated packages, modern GPUs tend to perform better here than on most other distros. In terms of customization, you have endless possibilities. KDE Plasma users can build a personalized environment with widgets, themes, layouts, and automation. Tiling Window Manager users can create keyboard-driven workflows that increase productivity. XFCE users can get a lightweight, traditional desktop that is extremely reliable. To summarize, EndeavourOS offers the perfect balance between user-friendliness and Arch-level power. It's fast, clean, customizable, extremely flexible, and backed by a welcoming community. It's ideal for intermediate and advanced users who want freedom without the slow installation process of pure Arch. Whether you're a developer, gamer, Linux enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the most customizable desktop possible, EndeavourOS delivers a polished and powerful experience. If you're ready to explore the world of Arch Linux without the pain of manual setup, EndeavourOS is one of the best distros you can install right now. Try it out and see the difference yourself. You might end up switching permanently.